So we are inside the Oval accommodation here at Loch Lomond Hideaways. There are, I think, 3 or 4 different types of accommodations here at Loch Lomond Hideaways, and each one is gorgeous. So the Oval has plenty of space here. You come in through this gorgeous little outdoor area, and there is this really comfy double bed. I'm sure it's a double bed, but it looks huge. It might be bigger than double actually. And it's got gorgeous soft furnishings, lots of lovely luxury bedding, plenty of pillows, which I love, and a lovely soft fluffy throw, which is perfect for the wintry nights here in Scotland. So yeah, really well positioned, and not too far away from Glasgow. I think it's about a 30-40 minute drive. And also in your lodge you'll get these lovely robes. Now the best bit about Loch Lomond Hideaways is the outdoor areas, and I am excited to show you them. So a lovely robe for going in the outdoor bath, and also this little kitchen area, which is everything you're going to need for a short break. So there's a fridge that you can bring your own stuff and chill it in. There is coffee machine, kettle for your tea, there's even a microwave actually, and a toaster. So plenty there to make yourself something to eat or just to prepare a drink. But yeah, perfect, and really neat and tidy as well. So huge big beds. There's plenty of storage under the bed to pop your bags away. And there is also a lovely bathroom in here. So it is actually really big. It's surprising from the outside how spacious this feels inside. So lovely big shower, and sink, vanity area. They also provide everything from your shower gels to your hairdryer, so if you forget anything, they've got it covered. So yes, this is inside of the Oval here at Loch Lomond Hideaways. Hi guys, I'm here at the Loch Lomond Hideaways here in Loch Lomond, and I am giving you a tour of the Oval here at the accommodation. Now the best part of this accommodation is the outdoor space, which is really unique to anywhere that we've ever stayed. So they have this outdoor living area, and it has a lovely sofa and a gorgeous fire. I can just imagine sitting here in the evenings and snuggling under a cosy blanket. So yep, they've got the outdoor sofa and the fire, but the best part about here is this big jacuzzi tub. Now I've turned it off just now so you can hear me, but they have these gorgeous big bathtubs outdoors and lots of really pretty lights. Can you imagine how pretty this will be at night? And tons and tons of candles. It's so romantic, although I'm here on my own. Hubby and I will be returning in a couple of weeks to actually stay, and I'm so excited about getting in that tub. So yeah, check that out. Gorgeous big jacuzzi tub. So yes, beautiful lodge here in Loch Lomond at Loch Lomond Hideaways.